I think what you're describing is what I would almost call relationship jiu jitsu, which is an essential practice. And the reason it's essential is we like to talk about how relationships either go down by accident or they go down by design. By accident, the way we communicate is our partner comes at us with a certain energy. Maybe it's that masculine aggression, maybe it's resentment, maybe it's anger. And our brain is literally wired to mirror them back. In psychology, they call this complementary behavior or social contagion. It's a well-known feature of the brain that if somebody's really angry at you, you get angry. I mean, that is just how we're wired to be. So what you're describing, and this is in many ways the ultimate move of being in a relationship with somebody, can you in that moment just see the anger, see your reaction to the anger, and then before you have that zinger that comes out of your mouth, it's like, oh, I'm gonna get her now with this one. Stop controlling me. I'm not your employee or whatever it might be. I don't know what your favorite zinger is. I like those. But before that zinger gets launched, if you just take that moment to shift, and maybe the shift is, to your point, just letting it go. Maybe the shift is humor, getting back to that, like what I will say to Kaley occasionally. I really am trying to be perfect. And one day I think I'm going to get there. Maybe when we're like 85, but I'm still working on it. All of a sudden, the whole dynamic changes. And so that's this peculiar feature of mindset in marriage that we're often mirroring each other. And if one person can break out of that mirror-like tendency, then the other person now has permission to relax. And you can kind of laugh a little bit. And instead of getting a raging fight, you just move on to the rest of your day and you stay connected.